In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly apply the same font, size, color, or style across different parts of your document without manually adjusting each section? Well, you're in luck. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do just that, and it's a real time saver. So, let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your computer. Any browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're connected, head on over to google.com. If you're not already signed in, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button for your Google account. You'll need to type in your email address and then click Next. Afterward, enter your password. Click Next once again and you should now be logged into your Google account. Now, we're going to move on to accessing Google Docs. In the upper right corner of your screen, there's a small square box made up of 9 dots. This is your app launcher. Click on that and scroll down until you find Google Docs. Click on it and you'll be directed to your documents. If you've already got a document in mind that you want to use, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you can create a new document to practice on. In your document, identify the section of text that already contains the formatting you wish to duplicate. For instance, maybe there's a specific font or color scheme you like. Highlight this text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Focus your attention on the top menu bar. Look for the Paint Format tool, which is represented by a little paint roller icon. Click on that once, and it will copy all the formatting from the highlighted text. Then move to the section of text where you want to apply the copied style. Highlight it, and immediately you'll see the text take on the same formatting. And just like that, you've carried over all the style attributes from one section to another. But what if you want to apply this formatting to multiple areas of your document without having to repeatedly click the Paint Format tool? There's a neat trick for that. Double click the Paint Format tool, and what this does is keep the tool active. Now you can go around your document highlighting different sections, and each will automatically adopt the previously copied formatting. Once you're done, click the Paint Format tool again to deactivate it, and there you have it. Copying formatting in Google Docs couldn't be easier. With just a few clicks, you can ensure consistency and a professional look across your entire document. Give it a try and make your editing process smoother and more efficient.